I took about 500 stairs to this coffee shop at the Kuang Si Waterfall, and then we saw it's like $25 for a zip line down. So yeah, here I am, all kitted out. What? Wait. Okay, I made it. That was crazy. I think I got the hang of it. This is fucking scary. Holy shit! That took 3 years of my life for sure, maybe more. Hey, this is the 4th one, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh fuck, I keep turning around. Guys, what an absolute experience. Please come to Laos, Luang Prabang. Just come and do it. It was so much fun, honestly.
One of the best experiences ever.
That was lovely!